Alright, so today we are going to, we're gonna try and get the fuel system as possibly done as possible. But it's funny when you have to run a 100-foot extension cord all the way up in here. All the way up in here. We're almost there. Almost there. Almost there.
Yay.
And boom. 100-foot extension cord just to charge your GoPro while you're recording, so it doesn't die while we're mid-recording. So, but right now Paul's dropping the fuel tank because it's going to be easiest. Gonna drop the fuel tank, try and get all that shit done. Grab some sample hoses to take with us to O'Reilly's so we can buy E85 compatible line. Trying to think what else. But yeah, so basically that's all we're at right now. Then we're gonna eat pizza too. Got some $8 Walmart pizza. Jesus freaking Christ, they saw me coming. So, all right, they got me good. Should have went to Aldi's. Paul was saying you can get pizza there for $2.50. We fucked up. I fucked up. All right, I'm gonna stop rambling on, and let's do this. All right, well, we got the tank dropped. It is rust galore. Look at all that rust. What a joke. But yeah, realizing that we've already made a crucial rookie mistake. We figured it was an inline. We've never, or in tank. We've never seen an inline before, but it's an inline, so now we got to order a different fuel pump. So you know what that means. This video is probably just going to be us removing his old system. Pretty much, and then an O'Reilly's trip. So, that kind of sucks dick, but we got it out. At least so we could dedicate a video all to putting race car AN line in.
Yeah.
So, but yeah, where is that? Oh, where is the old pump? No, it's the old container. Oh, it's sitting here on the side. It had like an old...
Oh, Jesus.
Old inline. That's crazy. The regulator on there and everything. Piss some more gas. So, all right, time for pizza. So we went to O'Reilly's. We recorded, and then Paul wanted to reset the ECM or whatever by disconnecting the battery. Well, let me tell you something about Cadillacs. They have electronic poppers for their trunk. They do not have a keyhole. So Paul has got to reach through this tiny ass little hole and figure out his life. So that's fucking awesome. Good job. What are friends for?
Hey, hope you didn't have anything planned for the night, because we're stuck here.
Awesome. Well, at least we're at O'Reilly's, so they can point and laugh. Let me tell you a joke. So I'm reaching back here, trying to fucking grab this. I pulled this thing out with that, and then kind of pushed that thing over there. Got it open. And then we open it, and look at where the fucking release is. Right fucking there. Right there. Why do you not tell us that, internet? Alright, I'm done. O'Reilly's, we are severely disappointed. You don't have E85. What the fuck? You guys ain't got no E85 line. I want to talk to your CEO. Just kidding, we're not that important. And so, but we bought spark plugs so we can put spark plugs in, so that'll be nice. So let's get the fuck back home, put some spark plugs in. We'll pull out the rest of the fuel line, because that's about all we're going to be able to do tonight. So let's do that. All right, can't really see me, but we're pulled over. We're trying. Fucking A failed again. I was worried that it didn't save the do not write. That would have sucked. But yeah, so we're trying to figure out what's wrong with his car, so we're tuning it on the way. We pulled over to pull out some burst knock or whatever, so see if that fixes it. But it just keeps failing on when we're trying to write it. Like 1 out of every 10 fucking keeps it. So, yep. See,
Stupid transmission.
it failed. If you can even see that.
Oh, there it went.
So we'll just keep waiting, I guess. Look at those cinematics. All right, well, we had no luck with tuning his car. It's well apparent that that Cadillac is a piece of shit. So yeah, we gave up on that. It took like fucking 40 times to upload any sort of tune on there. We didn't even change much. And it didn't work, so we said put it back and we'll just let it blow up or sell it to somebody. If anyone's looking for a Cadillac, yes. But yeah, so now we're gonna install some fucking spark plugs and then probably turn on the fucking heater and then crawl underneath the car and pull out all the old fuel. And we'll see about maybe putting, we might run the line. Might see about it, cut it in half, and then we could probably, I don't know. We'll see what we do. Not really sure what we'll do, but we'll just keep going. Alright, so there's like little plastic guys that we already removed off everywhere as they were bolted in. And then like, because they're the big ones right here, not the brake lines. And then, let me sneak past that thing. And then I've got them bent up all the way up over here. This guy's pretty much just going to have to cut them with the Sawzall and then pull them out in pieces because they're not going to come out in one piece because the brake lines are just so damn close. So. Alright, we got the fuel lines out. I got the brake line put back up. We got to decide and find out if it's okay to run fuel lines through the inside of the car for like at tracks, if that'll pass spec. If not, then we're going to have to run it underneath the car. Just going to be really, really close to the drive shaft, so we'll just have to like put a fucking thing to anchor it every freaking 3 inches or whatever. Well, I think that camera died on me for the GoPro for above footage, but what we ended up doing is drilled 2 holes and then mounting this in there, but we're gonna end up cutting all that little slack out there so it's kind of closer up to there. So, but yeah, it's the game plan. This one will go straight down, then this one will come right over here. So, but yeah, so far so good. Alright, I just came up with a brilliant idea. So, like, this is the heater. You just kind of heat up the end. Try and do this one-handed. And you kind of just press it all in there. And it makes it super easy to get this guy over. So easy, I just did that shit with one hand. Usually that shit's a pain in my ass. I just thought that'd be nice something to share. So just heat up the end and it'll melt all that shit down, and you kind of just press it down and then it'll go on really easy and it looks a lot cleaner. I used to like use the grinder and shit, it was stupid. But this is really nice and easy, so little tip for you. Alright.
Wait, we need tape on there.
No, you don't. Reheat it. Trust me, I'm a professional.
This is useless.
Keep going. You're not even, like...
Yeah, because you're dumb.
You gotta hold it on the fucking flat spot.
I'm using it.
Stop throwing a tantrum! See, look at that. Straight as an arrow.
Pretty good, though.
It's just not very straight.
That's fine.
No, it's not. It's not fine at all. Again.
No!
Again.
I need a... Where's my orange hammer?
Orange hammer's in the shed. Alright, round 2. Holy shit, dude. Chill with the...
Are you gonna put it in the middle or are you gonna stand here all day?
Man, you are a pro.
It's not a turbo. You stupid idiot. Give me this.
The turbo makes no difference in how straight it is. You're cutting it all cattywampus. Look how angled that is.
Hey!
Oh my god. We're gonna have no none left. It's still crooked!
You're crooked.
It's still crooked.
No, it's not.
It's still fucking crooked. Oh my fucking god. There's gonna be... Huh, I bet this would work a lot better on a turbo. Didn't even do anything.
I know.
There. That's a flat spot. Now you gotta figure out where the hell... Now you gotta cut like right there.
Sweet.
Now keep it straight.
I can't.
It's fucking crooked.
You suck.
Oh, my eyes suck. You just dragged it right off with your fucking hopes and dreams.
Are you done?
How am I supposed to use any of this footage with this kind of audio?
You're terrible. You're the worst.
Give me the fucking hammer and chisel. You're holding. I just use a grinder. This is why I use a grinder.
Bang up job.
Alright, well I think I forgot to hit the record camera on the GoPro, so that sucks. But yeah, we got the fuel rail. We don't have the... Wow, shit. Hold on. We got a light. Where's that fancy light? There it is. Harbor Freight light. Yeah, so we got this one right here. That one is not hooked up yet. That one will have to run to the back. But we hooked up the return line through the bottom, which goes down into the back for in the return. It's got the E85 thing for telling you what the consistency or whatever is, so the computer can make calculations and adjust accordingly. And then, so, I'm trying to think. Okay, yeah, so supply comes in here, comes around here, into the regulator. Regulator makes sure to keep all this. It regulates all this to keep it at whatever we set it to. And then it goes back down through the E85 to the back. So, right now we're kind of waiting in limbo as to whether we were going to go with the fuel cell or do the stock tank. We were going to do the stock tank, but it has that inline, and inline freaking fuel pumps cost a fortune, especially when we're cheap. So we might, we found a fuel cell on Facebook, or there's 2 of them, and they're like $60 a piece or whatever. So we might do one of them, so that way we can do the in-tank fuel pump that he already has. I think that's going to be it. That's all I really got for this one. So today we knocked out, we got all the old fuel lines off. We put spark plugs in. We plumbed up the fuel regulator with the E85 consistency thingy, whatever the hell it's called. What else? Is that it? So we got a whole lot of, feels like we did a whole lot of shit, but it's just a lot of bigger stuff. But yeah, that's it. So see you in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next one.